So update on the Skyline. We've got a headlight from somebody on the Skyline Forums Facebook page. Super helpful. Got a front cut of the frame from Japan Part Services in Richmond, Virginia. And I recently just tracked down a hood in Baltimore. But since we're in Connecticut, we agreed to meet the guy in Philadelphia. So we're heading down there now, bright and early, and let's go pick up this hood. Alright, so it's been a little bit since the last video. Kind of just been collecting parts and getting stuff ready. So right here, we got ourselves a new radiator support frame. Picked myself up a new headlight. Got a new hood, I'll show you that in a second. And now we gotta just straighten out one little part on the frame so that when it comes time to bolt up, well, drill out the spot welds on the old radiator support frame, we will be able to line everything up nicely and not have to force things into place. Everything will just fall into place. So yeah, let's get started. Also, this crazy wind lately has just destroyed my car cover here. Like, this car cover is just wasted, but soaked with speedy dry antifreeze and oil anyway, so sandbags are holding it down at the moment. But once it's up and running, we'll get a new car cover for it after the bigger fish are fried. Okay, now this confuses me. So it's labeled, I don't know if you can see it here, that cover is labeled RB26. I'm pretty sure this is not an RB26. I don't know if when it was in Japan someone decided to throw a cover from an RB26 on there, but I thought this was an RB20 and that's what it sure as hell looks like. I don't know. Mismatched parts. It's free floating, but it's...
That bottom hook disconnected?
Yeah, the bottom
It's
hook
off, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's disconnected.
So come right straight up. Oh, we got a wire in here.
Oh boy. Hang on, I have an adjustable.
Yep. Oh, I just screwed it.
Hang on, I'm gonna move this.
My big fucking feet.
No, well, you didn't really spill it too much. Oh, this is a really hot wrench. Oh my goodness. Fire. Ow.
Sharp stuff.
Yeah. You talk about busting knuckles, not busting wrists. Actually, no, wait, this is completely unplugged anyway.
Ah! Fucking dummies. This radiator, we will have to pressure test it.
Okay. Wait a minute. Can I see that really quick? Fast for that.
What? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on impact, there's the fan. Right there, just kind of pressed into it. I have a feeling this thing's popped.
We won't know until we put pressure in there and check those fins.
I think so too, but also look at the bottom. the bottom hose here, and
Yeah.
also it's all leaking across there.
Yeah, but I think that's coming all out of here. You probably like punctured a cut, and those you can't fix.
No, I wouldn't expect. These things are only $100.
Oh, if it was a tank, I would say let's fix it.
Alright, so got a lot done today. I'm still in the process of pulling things apart. Fenders are all off. Radiator's finally out. Fan seems to be intact, but you can still see that's bent up pretty good. Fenders and stuff off here. New radiator support frame that we're gonna drill out the spot welds and line up to here, but I think we're looking pretty good. But now we just got to line everything up. We got a guy who's going to come help us, who knows a lot about this kind of stuff. So since I've never done frame pulling or lining things up like on a frame like this, it'd be nice to have some help. So we'll see when that comes. But yeah, just gonna tidy this up and start chipping away at it probably some more next weekend. So we'll see you then. All wrapped up for next weekend.
Yeah.